Hey everyone, this is lesson 7, level 7, still choosing your own adventure by working with arrays using different algorithms to try to find or manipulate the elements in an array. We did A in class, B's up, and now let's do C, the construction project. So a construction company uses project management app to keep track of construction tasks, and they need to identify the tasks that have not been started yet. So I'm going over here on the right-hand side where the code is. Let's zoom in just a bit. So I have an array list of task objects that is called tasks. And what I'm doing is I'm adding all of these task objects to this array list. And it appears that a task object is a string followed by a Boolean, which is probably true, meaning that job has been done, false, meaning it has not been done. So the foundation for the new building has been laid, but the tile in the kitchen has not. Let's go over here to the tasks class just for a moment and see if that's true, and it appears that it is. So there's the constructor for the task object. And it gets a string, which is a description, and a Boolean is started. And so what we want to do is we want to, in the construction class, we want to write the find incomplete task method to return an array list containing the tasks that are not started. So very similar to what we did on A and B. And then we'll want to use that method and then print the result using tasks to string method. So there's the task to string method down here that will print it out all nice and neat for us. So let's go to this find incomplete task. So what I'm thinking is we're going to go through those tasks and we are going to get the Boolean and we're going to see if it is true because we want to get the ones that we want to take in a list that has not been started. So if has been started is false, then we're going to want to put that object into the array list. So let's create an array list to place things in. These are going to be task objects, and I'll call this not started because that's what it is, and this will be an array list. It's going to be a new array list of task objects that for right now has nothing in it, and we'll just add things as we go. And then we're going to I guess we're going to have to use a traditional for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less than, this is the list is tasks. I guess I really didn't need to copy it. Tasks dot size, and then we'll go I++. And so what I want to do is as I go through the list, I want to get the object at that particular index, and I want the Boolean value of it. So if tasks.get I, and then I want to get that Boolean. And so the Boolean is has been started. And so if it has been started, it's true, but I'm interested if it's not been started. So I'm going to put an exclamation point in front of it. So if the task at index I has not been started is really what this is saying. What I want to do then is I want to take the not started list and I want to add to it the tasks at index I. And then I just want to return the not started list. I think that's going to do the trick. So let's go over here. Let's call the find incomplete task method. So I'm going to create an array list of task objects, and I'll call it incomplete equals, and this is going to be a new, oh, actually it's not going to be a new array. It's going to be the project dot find incomplete tasks. And I believe, does this take a yeah, it did not take a parameter. I didn't recall. I didn't remember seeing one there, but it does not take it. So what that's going to do is that's going to give me a place to put the list that is returned. And then I want to print this out using the task to string method. So the task to string method takes that array that I just did. So I'm going to copy that. And we want to print this out. And it is going to be projects, right? Project dot task to string and incomplete. So that will make the pretty print for us. Let's see if it runs. Man, that's 2 for 2, man. I've gone through 2 things in a row right away and got them done. So that's pretty good. So honestly, me doing the videos and talking it out helps me. So get a rubber duck and do the same thing.